Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? And hello to anyone new. I hope the introduction of these gel liner polishes was relaxing and satisfying because that's the type of mood I was in when doing this. So this is going to be probably the easiest set of all. You'll see I started with this bright Barbie pink by Madam Glam, which I'll do 2 coats and cure each for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp. And basically, I just wanted to show you how this glittery gel liner polish would look with color. It's from Amazon, and I chose the glittery gel liner polish because I already have so many solid color gel paints that I can use with my liner brushes. Besides, glitter always adds that special touch, doesn't it? This is the second coat. Once I've laid the 2 coats, I use Matte Top Coat by NotPolish. And you'll see that I skipped the ring finger thinking to do something different from the other nails at first. This also gets cured for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp. Before I use the gel liner, I want to point something out. These are very fluid, and that's actually a good thing. But I want to show you the best way to use these liners. When polishing, we tend to pull the brush stem out the bottle, then clear the excess polish from the brush hairs. But what happens with these gel liners, there's still a large drip of polish coming down from the top of the stem. So you really need to clear the stem as it comes out the bottle. So let's see how this looks. You can see the sparkle as soon as the brush touches the nail. This is so beautiful. I've been on these simplistic looks on and off lately, haven't I? So you saw this kit had 12 gel liner polishes, and it does come in 6. But I found they're actually cheaper individually to get it in the 12. I liked this one, but it looked like a number 4, so I decided to fill it in, and I'm so glad I did because it made it all the more glamorous, I think. Then, ultimately, I decided not to do different with the ring finger, and I went ahead and topped it with matte and added some line work to it as well. These gel liners will have an inhibition layer, so you'll have to go over them with glossy top coat. And remember, we have to get our toes done. So same thing here, solid color nails with simple accent lines using the gel liner polishes. And I just love how they look. I hope you enjoyed today's Boujee Nails on a Budget, and if you did, go ahead and hit the like button. And why not subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video, which will be a special acrylic nail design. And if you'd like to see more Boujee Nails on a Budget, you can click this link and I'll see you in the next one. Much love.